The law of conservation of energy is valid across all domains of nature. Constant I is equal to impulse and m is equal to mass. The dimensions of gim square by a square are same as that of mass. A weightlifter lifts a weight off the ground and holds it up. Work is done in lifting the weight, but no work is required to be done in holding it up. A short circuited coil is placed in a time varying magnetic field. Electrical power is dissipated due to the current in used in the coil. If the number of turns were to be quadrupled 4 times and the wire radius halved, the electrical power dissipated would be quadrupled. Gamma rays, radioactive decay of the nucleus. Infrared rays, vibration of atoms and molecules. Radio wave, rapid acceleration and deceleration of electrons in conducting wires. A convex and concave lens separated by distance d are the put in a contact. The focal length of the combination increases. Photon and electron are given the same energy 10 to the power of minus 20 J. Wavelength associated with the photon and electron are lambda p and lambda e. The correct statement will be lambda p is greater than lambda e. Which of the following device is the application of photoelectric effect? Transistor, diode, light emitting diode, photocell. Among them, answer is photocell. In Bohr's model of hydrogen atom, the total energy of electron in nth discrete orbit is proportional to 1 by n square. The number of beta particles emitted by a radioactive substance is twice the number of alpha particles emitted by it. The resulting daughter is an isotope of parent. The coefficient of linear expansion of a homogeneous rod changes linearly from alpha 1 to alpha 2 from one end to the other end of the rod. The effective coefficient of linear expansion of the rod is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 by 2. An organ pipe P closed at one end vibrates in its first harmonic. Another organ pipe pipe Q opens at the both ends of vibrates in its third harmonic. When both are in resonance with a tuning fork, the ratio of the length of P to that of Q is 1 by 6. An observer is approaching a stationary source of sound with a velocity equal to the velocity of sound. If the source emits a note of frequency n, then the apparent frequency heard by the observer is 2n. R is equal to 15 ohm, L is equal to 3.5 H, C is equal to 30 mu. F is selected for better tuning of an LCR circuit used for communication. The wavelength lambda e of an electron and lambda p of a photon of same energy E are related by lambda p is proportional to lambda 2e. The wavelength of a light emitted from the second orbit to the first orbit in a hydrogen atom is 1.215 into 10 to the power of minus 7 m. The antiparticle of electron is positron.